This is Kanchanar, and I'm big fan of Kanchanar, and all my doctors are using this Kanchanar. Kanchanar is, there are two kinds of Kanchanar, red and white. We are using the red one, which works better, little more Agneya. We need here to penetrate in the tumors and unusual growth. Kanchanar, why it is called Kanchanar? Because the flowers are looking like a jewelry. Very nice flowers they have. Kanchanaro himo is the cooling. Hima means cooling. Grahi, grahi means enhancing absorption. Tuvara is another name. Tuvaraha means very fast moving, powerful. Sleshma pitta hrit, specifying sleshma means kapha here, and pitta. Krimi, it is creating good positive environment. It is not a bactericidal, but bacteriostatic you can say, because it's astringent and creating good environment, so the bad bacteria cannot grow and good bacteria flourishes. Kusht, prakriti vighat, kusht, again the chronic skin disease. Gudabhrans, Guda means anorectal area, anal area. Bhrams means prolapse. When the anal prolapse is happening, it's a disease. Gudabhrans is a disease. Then it gives more retaining power, more firming power, more intelligence to that area. Gandamala. Gandamala is when the mala means garland. Gandamala is when the lymphatic glands in the row swells up, gets infected. The specific disease, there's a specific name, Gandamala. Looks like a garland. It's all lymphatic glands in the row swells up and inflames, and it can even burst, because it has the property to clean any gland, indoor exocrine glands. It has not only cleaning, re-establishing the intelligence, so that it can reduce the size and make them more intelligent, all the glandular system. It helps all the glandular system. Gandamala branapaha. Brana means ulcer. Sometimes it can happen on the glands also. It helps in the branas on the gland or anywhere, the ulcer. Kovidaropi, that's another name, Kovidar of the Kanchanar. Kovidaropi tadvat syat tayoh puspam laghu smritam. Kovidar, the Kanchanars, pushpas, the flowers, they are little lighter. Ruksham, they are talking about the flowers now. Before we are talking about the bark. The flowers are also useful, means flowers you can use. We made pakoras of these flowers. You can use vegetables, soups with these flowers. So, Kovidaropi tadvat syat tayoh puspam laghu smritam. The pushpas, the flowers of the Kovidar, of the Kanchanar is laghu. Ruksham, little drying. Sangrahi, enhancing absorption. Pittastra, when blood is full of pitta. Pradar. Pradar is another name of the disease where the useful substance is coming through female organs, either whitish or rakta. There is a Swet Pradar and Rakta Pradar. When albumin or pus cells with albumin is coming, called Swet Pradara. Rakta Pradar is when unusual flow is there of the blood. So in both situations it works. Pittastra Pradara Chaya. Again, it supports the tissues. If any tissue is less. Kasanut. Again, you know about kas, the dry, hacking cough. Then we got some from Susruta also. Kovidar Pushpani, Madhurani, Madhur Vipakani, Rakta Pitta Harani Cha. Why we chose this Bhav Prakash? Because Bhav Mishra has done, he compiled all the knowledge from Charak, Susrut and Bhagavad and made the verses easy to understand. That's why most of the verses we got from the very pure thought, but easy to understand and complete. That's why you have the Bhav Prakash all over. But here we have this from Susruta also. Susruta must be using this a lot during surgery, before surgery, after surgery. He must be doing a lot of glandular surgery. So Kovidar Pushpani, the flower, they're talking about more about flower. Madhurani, sweet. Madhur Vipakani, the Vipak is also Madhur. Rasa and Madhur. Rasa is Madhur and Vipak is Madhur. And then Rakta Pitta Harani Cha. We talk about the Rakta Pitta as established disease. It is taking care of the Rakta Pitta. Unusual hemorrhagic disease, you can say. And then Charak is talking about Kovidarasya Puspam Grahi Prasastam Cha Rakta Pitte Visesta. Both are talking about the Puspa here. It is Grahi, enhancing absorption, and the Rakta Pitta. They are emphasizing that if somebody has, some Vaidya has a patient of Rakta Pitta, the Kovidar, the Kanchanar flowers are way to go. And you can see here, next slide, Rasa, astringent, Virya, cooling, Vipak. Basically here, there is a controversy there. Madhur Vipak, it says, Susruta says Madhur Vipak, and Bhav Prakash says Katu Vipak, but we'll accept Madhur Vipak. You can change. Madhur Vipak sounds right. And then Gandamala Nasak, when the glands are becoming like a mala, this is the best prabhav of Kanchanar, and the guna is dry and light. So we are using Kanchanar a lot. We have a drop and the, as a powder. Any kind of unusual growth going on, even a lot of my practitioners are using in a hypothyroidism. At least we have two reports from my doctors that their thyroid start to function better and they're off of medication. Of course, it works with the diet and everything. So